To fix an Onn TV making a buzzing noise, start by identifying the source of the problem. Common causes include loose connections, faulty hardware, or software issues. Begin by checking all cables and connections to ensure they are secure and not damaged. Verify that the power cord is properly plugged in and that all other cables, such as HDMI and audio cables, are securely connected to the correct ports. Next, try resetting the TV to its default settings. This can often resolve software-related issues that may be causing the buzzing noise. To reset the TV, go to the Settings menu and look for the Reset option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. If the buzzing noise persists, it may be a hardware issue. Check the TV's backlight and panel for any signs of damage or malfunction. If you suspect a hardware problem, it is recommended to contact a professional for repair or replacement. In some cases, the buzzing noise may be caused by electrical interference from other devices. Try moving the TV away from other electronic devices or switching them off to see if the noise stops. You can also try using a noise filter or surge protector to reduce electrical interference. To prevent future issues, make sure to regularly clean the TV's vents and fans to ensure proper airflow and prevent overheating. Additionally, keep the TV's software up to date by regularly checking for firmware updates. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the cause of the buzzing noise on your Onn TV. Remember to always handle electronic devices with care and follow proper troubleshooting procedures to avoid causing further damage. If you are unsure about any part of the process, it is recommended to consult the user manual or contact a professional for assistance.